So, hello guys! Today, magluluto tayo ng fried chicken satay with peanut butter sauce. So, these are the ingredients. So, this one is chicken tenderloin, about 300 grams. And this one is coconut milk. This is for the marinade. So, this one is coconut milk, 1/4 cup of coconut milk. This one is one teaspoon or half teaspoon of white sugar. This one is 1 teaspoon of 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and this one is red curry paste. So I put 1 teaspoon. So these are for the marinade. So just mix it into the chicken, and then let it fridge for about 30 to 1 hour before threading it to the skewers. So okay, let's start with the chicken powder and then sugar. Just mix it in, and curry paste, red curry paste. So we just mix it in. And then we mix up the coconut milk. So, i-marinate siya ng 30 to 1 hour, guys. So, i-chill muna natin sa fridge. Okay. So, after an hour maybe, I will thread it to this skewer and let's start frying. So, now guys, gawa tayo ng Thai peanut sauce para doon sa chicken satay natin. So, ito po ang mga ingredients. 1 tablespoon of red curry paste. Ito siya. Then, less than 1/2 cup of peanut butter. And then, 2 tablespoon of white sugar. Ito siya. 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Ito. A pinch of salt, pwedeng lagyan ng a pinch of salt, pero mamaya na yun. And then 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and this one is about 90 ml of water. So tara na guys, imimix ko na sa casserole, and then we cook it for a few minutes. Okay. So ito na guys, lulutuin natin yung Thai peanut sauce. So minix ko lang lahat-lahat yung ingredients. And then, i-stir lang siya to combine, and then simmer for 5 minutes. So, dapat siyang i-stir lagi para hindi siya titigas. Ito guys, mabilis lang siya. So, 5 minutes lang po siya. Okay? So, guys, ito na pala yung chicken satay ko with the Thai Satay paste. So this looks so yummy. This is really yummy, guys. This is just very easy to prepare and very easy to cook. So I prepared some instant noodles, stir-fried noodles, to eat with this chicken satay. So it's this one, guys. This is just very simple. I stir fry broccoli, carrot, baby corn, and then I boiled instant noodles, and then I just mix it up, and I just add little bit of hoisin sauce, and that's it. Just very simple, guys. It's really a simple dinner for the kids because they do like this sometimes. So I will plate these noodles, guys. guys. I use this type of instant noodles. It's just really very easy. Instead of noodles in soup, so I cook it dry. So of course, I boil this noodle first for 2 minutes and then drain and then mix it up with the vegetables, stir-fried vegetable. So instead of putting chicken on the noodles, stir-fried chicken on the noodles, I prepared chicken satay. It's Thai style. Okay, I need to plate up the noodles and let's see. So hello guys, this is the recipes that I prepared a while ago. It's a chicken satay with satay paste with stir-fried instant noodles instead of noodles with in soup. So I did it instant noodles stir-fried. So with mixed vegetables. So that's the match-up of that satay, chicken satay actually. Chicken satay.
Chicken satay with peanut butter sauce.
No. Yes. Okay, so let's see if they like this. Have fun, guys.
Stay well.